Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Volt Partner app. First, if you haven't already, download the Volt Partner app and apply to become a courier. Once you're approved, open the app and you'll see your status at the top. If it says offline, just swipe right to go online. This tells Volt you're ready to work. Once you're online, delivery offers will start popping up. Each offer shows the restaurant, the drop-off address, and how much you'll earn. You can choose to accept or reject the order. After you accept a delivery, you'll see all the details, the pickup location, the customer's address, and the list of items. When you've completed the delivery, just slide the bar at the bottom to confirm that it's done. Your earnings update in real time, and you get paid for every delivery you complete. And that's it. That's how to use the Volt Partner app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.